एक स्टार्ट.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We are here to represent a COVID hackathon on the topic healthcare system and the current situation regarding the COVID. So, we are going to provide you about the latest information about the COVID-19. So, I request Vaishnavi to tell more about the wellness regarding the COVID-19.
Hello, hello everyone. So my topic is wellness. I will start about the wellness. So wellness is what the WHO defines wellness as a conscious, self-redirected, and evolving process of achieving full potential. We can divide it into the 8 parts. The 8 parts are the emotional, occupational, spiritual, physical, intellectual, environmental, financial. So we uh, we can help our society by the financial wealth, that is the financial wellness, and we can maintain our health in this pandemic situation, that is the physical wellness. So physical wellness we can maintain uh, by increasing our immunity, by eating good food. And in occupational wellness, the companies are providing uh, every needed things to their employees, that is the occupational wellness. So next topic is the prevention, and that will be continued by the Anupriya. Anupriya. Hello. The next part is the prevention, and that will be continued by the Anupriya Gule. Thank you.
Prevention. The main point regarding the COVID-19 is the prevention. So the most nowadays the prevention is a very good thing. To prevent the coronavirus, and so for that you should wash your hands regularly, oftenly, during a day at least 2 to 5 times in a day. Clean and disinfectant. Stay home. Stay safe. And if you feel like a fever or anything, immediately go to a doctor. uh, Cover your cough or sneeze. Avoid touching your face to your eyes, or avoid the contact. Avoid the touching. And prevention is very necessary, as because it's not an airborne disease, but it is very transmitted very fastly as compared to any other. Next is the about the treatment. The treatment, hydroxychloroquine, is an anti-malarial drug uh, which is preferred on the coronavirus. But as because of so many side effects of an hydroxychloroquine, recently many clinical trials are been ongoing on the coronavirus, as it is very pandemic. Next, I request Tej to tell more about the post-COVID.
Hello everyone. Post-COVID trade will lifestyle slipper in a sector with complex value chains, particularly electronic and automatically products. And service trade may be most directly affected COVID-19 through transport and travel restrictions. And what mo- World merchandise trade is set to plummet by between 13 and 32% in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Then healthy industry market impact. That is the impact analysis of COVID-19 and global intense care unit market to 2020 and 2024. 6% is market growth will acceptable at a CAGR of over and 4.58 when incremental growth and growth for 2020 5.7%. Market growth in 2020 is kindly increased compared to 2019. Thanks for everything. Next, Sanika Doshi. बोलो.
लेकिन कितना मिनट बाकी है?
बोल.
Okay. So the problem addressed through the project identified are the problem dealing with the healthcare system nowadays. Various doctors and lack of ventilators and PPE kits. The main aim is to improve our health, and it's a very challenging healthcare system is being very challenging nowadays. Next. So what are the demerits relating to this is that public healthcare system investment, they are undermining health and welfare around the globe. Officially said, public health gaps are putting global security, economic development at risk. So due to this, the economic statistics has been very decreased due to the pandemic COVID-19, and it's time against the and as so many countries steel themselves against the future health crisis, should ignore the basic investment in healthcare. And this coronavirus has been very crisis has been revealed that national subnational healthcare systems WHO, they have been working throughout all these problems. So together everyone should take the efforts to stay home and take care and take the preventions, uh, not to go outside and avoid the contact with everyone. So the problems faced during this is that where we need to communicate with everyone, the team members involved in this related to this COVID hackathon. But nowadays, very international articles related to research articles are available. And the current situation has very impacted the world and everything so badly. So to create an awareness is a main objective of this COVID-19. The current novel coronavirus is completely different as it is first instance in a peacetime which has been observed a disruption in the supply chain and demand and in every sector of the world. So various methodology like statistical challenges have been done, uh, researching for relevant information sources from various websites, updating the guidelines regarding it. So this is a chart regarding the test regarding the coronavirus. The spread of this coronavirus has been started impacting ongoing construction, and the workers have been prominently increased due to the sites even most developers have been work for now. Industries have more than 30% construction workers are staying away from work sites due to of this COVID-19 infection, and many workers have been gone to their places. So thank you.
Thanks to again and Thank you to team leader Sanika Doshi, and thanks to all team members. Let's fight against COVID-19.